unboxing these items from Speedo. It's the Speedo Performance Tech Paddle.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're going to start unboxing.
They look nice. I'm excited to.
Yeah, they look interesting.
Them. Let's see. Let's have a look.
You can't really say a lot about a paddle, really, can you? You know, is paddle a paddle?
Yeah. Well,
we hope it fits your hand.
Let's have a look.
And the first surprise I'm noticing is it's
they're green.
A different colour to expected. So thank you to Speedo for that.
Yeah. Nice colour. Actually, I think it's a good idea for Swim Sanity, but we'll mention Swim Sanity later on.
We're going to look at these and we're going to review these items out of the pool on dry land, and also we'll head into the swimming pool and give them a go, see what they're like. First off, I'm noticing we've got lefts and rights.
Oh, that's true. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Which is good and bad, right?
Yeah. Immediately, I'm thinking bad for a water workout.
Yeah.
When I've got 20 people in the pool, that's going to be. It's going to slow everything down.
Yeah.
Because I'm going to have two buckets, one with the lefts, one with the rights. Some people don't know what the left is, some people don't know what the right is. But yeah, interesting. I guess it makes sense. Left hands are different to right hands.
Yeah. They are probably designed exactly. They probably have thought about designing properly for left and right.
So looking at the moulded shape, it does exactly what we want in a paddle. We've got the holes so that you can actually feel the water on your fingers.
Exactly.
You'll often see people swimming around with like neoprene gloves on, won't you?
Oh no, I hate that. Yes, yes.
The neoprene gloves, people think they're going to pull the water better and it's going to help them swim better, but then they can't.
They can't feel anything. They don't have a resistance because they just a light material.
Yeah. Cover
the whole arm. It's a bit. Waste of time.
So that's a benefit.
That's a benefit, definitely. The holes. What I did instinctively when I just unboxed them, I tried to adjust the strap.
Yeah.
And that took me a bit of time.
Yeah, this is an interesting kind of
it takes
strap.
A bit of time.
So we're used to paddles with a strap here and maybe one here.
Or
so
just
really
another like X.
Or an X. Yeah. So let's try to get these on.
Yeah.
So.
It does take a bit.
These are larges.
Yeah.
So. A bit of drama. So we're going to put all the fingers into the straps.
Yeah. Even the thumb.
There we go.
And then you have the middle finger in. Okay. It doesn't feel bad.
Yeah.
It's a bit too secure, you think. But again, the positive thing is that you don't have anything on the wrist.
Yeah. It fits really nicely
like
into the bottom of the palm.
Yeah.
There.
So the curve is not a big curve, so it doesn't make your hand scoop. That's good.
It's quite a relaxed shape.
The fingers are slightly apart, which is good.
Yeah, so relaxed fingers, because you don't want your fingers next to each other when you're swimming.
Yeah.
You want a bit of relaxation.
Yeah. And that looks nice, that feels right. We obviously gonna test them and review them in the pool.
They kind of see through. I like the green because you can see your hand through it. I'm not sure. I'm guessing you wouldn't actually get that with the black ones.
Yeah.
Okay, so have a bit of fun. We'll go and hit the pool.
Definitely. The other thing, again, I will have to mention that again about the strap. I used to swim competitively, and as a swimmer, I remember myself trying to rush into the wall and trying to put my paddle straight away because I didn't have enough time, enough rest. So that, it's not bad, but it takes 10.
It takes time. So if you were at the Olympic pool at Stratford, and you had those on the side, you've got no way of standing up because it's 3 meters deep at both ends.
Yeah.
And then you've got to put those paddles on
within 15 seconds.
Yeah. Within a few seconds, because you've got someone swimming up behind you.
And you have the time, you have the stopwatch counting. You have to be really fast to leave the wall on time.
And that's actually a two-handed job to get these on.
Yeah.
to get that not to be the wrong way round, and then to
Yeah. Plus the goggles. Don't
Yeah.
forget the goggles. You have to put the goggles on.
yeah.
Well, you do that before the paddles, but anyway. And then you have the other one. It's fine. It's fine. Let's see. We'll
So,
have a look at the pool.
Speedo are selling these on their little guide. They've got strength 3 stars out of 5, endurance 3 out of 5, technique 5 out of 5. So they're really pushing them on to people who
Yeah.
want to learn better swimming technique,
They
which
focus on the technique.
yeah, and calories 3 out of 5. So I guess you wouldn't get any calories if you ate them.
Interesting, yeah, they are nice. They are actually better than I thought they were, and that's because it's not that easy. I was expecting it to be easier. It's interesting because it makes it you have to actually work on the entry and how to catch the water, as we say, or how to anchor your arm. And then it's really interesting because you have to feel it, you have to force your arm, you have to basically try to push more with the outside part of your palm, and that's because of the curve here. I like the holes, of course. I like the fact that they don't have a wrist here, a strap, and these are a really nice idea. It's a clever one. It does feel secure, but as I said, you have that wobbliness, if I can say that word. So you have to control it, you have to play around with the right position and how to push, how to anchor. The material is nice and strong, but on the other hand is not so difficult and not so heavy. The curve, just a nice small curve here, not a big one, so again the position on the wrist and the palm is right. There is an interesting resistance there, which is good for a paddle. I would have made another bigger size, by the way. That's a nice big one, but for an advanced swimmer you might need an even bigger one. It's basically what it said it is about. It's about the technique. It's not for strength and power or speed, really advanced sets. When you want to do drills and focus on the technique, that's an amazing paddle. Basically, it's a really nice one. Good. And well, I did the swimming part. Paul now will be next in the pool, and he's gonna try the swim sanity drills. So again, sculling, power, really nice, fun drills. Let's have a look.
First off, I'll be pushing the arms out and in, out and in. And I'm already feeling the fact that for a resistance workout in the pool, they're a little bit too small. I'm not feeling as much of a push on the water as I'm used to with the existing paddles that we use. They're quite nice, they're actually really comfortable, and they don't have any of the same issues with the straps that my current paddles have. But because of the air holes, the water holes, I can feel the water coming through the paddles, and maybe I'm not getting as much resistance. However, that said, let's increase the power. So we're going to keep the shoulders back and push the water out and in, out and in. And I can feel they're doing a nice job. That's a good job. Let's see how they punch side to side. Not bad. And locking them together. That's good. They've got a bit of resistance behind them. Definitely got a lot of resistance. I can almost push myself off the floor by doing that. So I've got them forwards and I press down, push up, Yeah, I can definitely feel that in my core. Yeah, they're not bad paddles. It's a new feeling compared to the ones that we currently use, which are a little bit flatter than these. These do feel quite solid in the water. I'm used to a little bit more of a flex, so maybe that's going to give us a better workout. Interesting. For me, the jury's still out. I probably want to practice with them through a whole week, get in the pool with them, maybe do 5 or 6 sessions in a week and see how I feel afterwards. Yeah, the jury's out. So these are interesting paddles. Cool. Can't really say much more. There we go.
Great.
Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
We'll be back with our next video very soon.
Enjoy your paddles.
See you. Bye.